why it sucks to be a comet. So, you think being a comet is cool? Flying through space with a glowing tail, photobombing telescopes, and getting named after the guy who discovered you? Well, buckle up, stargazer, because being a comet isn't some interstellar joyride. In fact, being a comet sucks. Hard. Let's break down why being one of the universe's icy celebrities is basically cosmic punishment. You're literally just a dirty ice cube. Let's start with the basics. A comet is basically a glorified snowball, a mix of rock, dust, and frozen gases. Sounds majestic, right? Wrong. NASA literally calls comets dirty snowballs. Imagine your entire existence being described like something scraped off a windshield in February. You're not a star. You're not a planet. You're intergalactic freezer burn. And people only care about you when you're melting. Harsh. You live in the solar system's basement. Where do comets come from? Oh, just the most desolate, forgotten regions of the solar system. We're talking the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud, aka the cosmic Siberia. It's cold, dark, and no one visits. You sit there for millions of years doing absolutely nothing. No sunlight, no neighbors, not even a decent Wi-Fi signal. Your entire life is just waiting. Waiting to be dragged out of retirement by gravity for your once-in-a-lifetime moment. And spoiler alert, it's going to suck too. When you finally get noticed, you catch fire. Eventually, you get pulled into the inner solar system. Congrats! You're finally going places. You're visible. People are excited. Telescopes point your way. Finally. Some fame. But here's the thing. That glorious glowing tail everyone loves, it's not magic. It's your body violently melting and evaporating in the sun's heat. It's cosmic self-harm. You're literally disintegrating in public, and people call it beautiful. That's like applauding a snowman for looking sparkly as it dies. You're only relevant once every 75 years. Now let's talk about your schedule. You finally pass Earth, and everyone goes nuts. Headlines, tweets, t-shirts. And then, you vanish again. For decades. Centuries even. Take Halley's Comet. Shows up once every 76 years. That's not a career. That's a cosmic guest appearance. By the time you come back, everyone who saw you last time is dead. And if you're unlucky, some amateur astronomer misspells your name, and boom, you're Comet Kevin. You can literally rip yourself apart. Here's a fun comet fact. You might explode. The closer you get to the sun, the more unstable your body becomes. Pressure builds, cracks form, and boom, you're space confetti. Comet Ison flew too close to the sun in 2013 and disintegrated like a soggy ice cube. It was hyped as the Comet of the Century. Lasted about 30 seconds on the big stage. So not only are you melting, you're basically a ticking time bomb. Cheers. Zero control over anything. Unlike planets, which have orbits and structure, your path is chaos. You get tossed around by gravity, pulled by stars, flung by solar winds. You're like a drunk frisbee hurtling through the void. You don't steer. You don't choose. Sometimes you even crash into stuff, like poor comet shoemaker Levy 9, who plowed face first into Jupiter in 1994. R.I.P., buddy. You tried. The universe will forget you. After your brief, fiery appearance, what happens next? Best case scenario, you drift back into darkness, alone, freezing, forgotten. Worst case scenario, you fall apart piece by piece until there's nothing left. And no one's coming to save you. No repair crew, no comet therapy, just more silence. The universe doesn't do retirement parties. It just deletes your folder. You're a frozen dirtball that spends eternity in darkness, only to burn alive in front of millions, before being forgotten for another century, or violently disintegrating in a fiery cosmic death. Sounds glamorous, right? Yeah. Being a comet absolutely sucks. Let us know in the comments which space object we should emotionally ruin next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks comets are magical. Until next time, keep looking up and appreciating that you're not made of melting space sludge.